What's going on, everyone? I recently found out about a really awesome tool installed with Ruby called GHI, or GitHub Issues. It is a terminal application that allows you to interact and create, close, assign, and comment on, etc. Uh, GitHub issues. So I don't even need to go into GitHub to manage my issues anymore, which is awesome. So again, yet again, everything in the terminal. And the setup was really, really easy. So all you have to do is, cd into whatever GitHub Git repo directory you want. I'm in my runes bash script directory, and I can just do GHI GitHub issues, and it's going to tell me there's no issues because there isn't any right now. Now I could do GHI list, and it's not going to find any. But let's say I actually do have an issue I want to add to this one, so I'm going to do GHI open a new issue. It's going to open up my editor, Vim. Now it'll tell you in the comments that the first line is going to be like the title of the issue, and then everything after that is going to be the body. And it does support the GitHub flavored markdown, which is awesome. Now I'm going to say I need, or let's just say need to replace the characters with their Unicode escape codes. And then I'm going to actually add details because this is just the title. Because it's just good practice to not God practice. It's just good practice to have them escaped. Cool. Let's make this bold, because why not? Awesome. I'm going to save and close, and then GHI will tell me, yeah, we opened up this issue 59 minutes from now. Not sure what the hell was wrong with the timestamp, but it's open. It'll tell me this. It's opened on that repo. Cool. So now we can run GHI list. So now we have an issue. This is actually the 6th issue. It gives us a number of the issues in an index, and it allows us to then interact with it. So if I do GHI-H for help, it will tell me. We can open it, close it, edit the issue, comment on it, label it, assign it to somebody or ourselves. We can do milestones, status, disable, enable, etc. And all of these things are great, but actually let's go look at the repo so we can see what our efforts actually look like. runes.sh. There's an issue now. And here we go. Here's the issue. And the markdown is supported. Everything in the terminal. Everything in the terminal. And this is simply awesome. So now I can manage all of my GitHub issues from my local machine. So I really like this, and I use this every day now. So now I actually use this several times today during while I was making my website more website-y. GHI. I did use Ruby to install it, and I think there are some other ways that you can actually install this. There is one little thing though, is that at one point it will prompt you for some sort of key code or credential. You run whatever command it wants, and then it gives you an access token for GitHub, and it's just a secret or something. So you just don't share that token thing around, and you just don't add the file that is contained into version control, which I think is just your root or your home directory .gitconfig. You just don't add that to version control, which should probably just be common sense. But let's see, GHI. Oh, I think I just added to my favorites actually, which I tend to do for these things. Steven Sellis. Yes, excellent. So you can do brew if you have Mac, gem install. I just did that. You can do curl, but I wanted the stable version, so I just did gem install. It's just fantastic. I use this. Yeah, I use this now. It is now part of my Git and development workflow. GHI. And I'm going to be covering some other things in future videos. I have made some really cool changes to my website. I'm not really super into front end, but it's starting to grow on me. And modifying my website has been really fun. So we'll see how I go with that. And a lot of stuff on Newsboat to come. So I've done a little bit of digging on Newsboat, and I'm going to be making several videos about Newsboat in the future. So look forward to those. In the meantime, check out GHI. It is awesome, and you can do everything in the terminal. All right, catch you next time.